Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Mental Momentum. Do you ever feel like life is one big stress ball? Traffic jams, overflowing to-do lists, family commitments. Sometimes it feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day, and the pressure can really start to build. We've all been there. But what if I told you there were powerful tools you could use to manage stress and cultivate a calmer, more peaceful life? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of stress management techniques. We'll explore the science behind stress, how it affects our bodies and minds, and most importantly, what we can do about it. By harnessing the power of mindfulness and incorporating some simple lifestyle changes, you can transform your relationship with stress and create a more resilient and balanced you. So, whether you're a chronic stress case or just looking for some helpful tips, this video is for you. Let's take a deep breath together and unlock the secrets to a calmer life. Alright, before we jump into our stress-busting toolbox, let's take a step back and understand what stress really is. Stress is our body's natural reaction to a perceived threat. Imagine you're walking down a dark alley and suddenly hear a noise behind you. Your heart starts racing, your palms get sweaty, that's stress in action. These everyday situations can trigger the same fight or flight response in our bodies, even if there's no physical danger present. Our bodies release a surge of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, preparing us to face the challenge or flee the scene. This can be helpful in short bursts, giving us the energy and focus to deal with a demanding situation. Chronic stress is a serious threat to our overall well-being, both physically and mentally. Don't let it take control of your life. We might experience headaches, muscle tension, trouble sleeping, and even anxiety or depression. That's why managing stress is so important. By learning to recognize the signs of stress and implementing effective coping mechanisms, we can take back control and cultivate a healthier, happier life. Unfortunately, the constant state of fight or flight triggered by chronic stress isn't just draining our mental energy, it takes a toll on our physical health as well. Studies have shown that chronic stress can contribute to a variety of health problems, including high blood pressure. Chronic stress can put a strain on your heart, leading to increased blood pressure. This can raise your risk of heart disease and stroke. Heart disease. Stress hormones can damage blood vessels and increase inflammation throughout the body, both of which contribute to heart disease. Weakened immune system. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, leaving you vulnerable to infections and illnesses. Headaches and muscle tension. Stress can manifest physically as headaches, muscle tension, and pain throughout the body. Digestive problems. Stress can disrupt your digestive system, leading to problems like heartburn, constipation, or diarrhea. But it's not just our physical health that suffers. Chronic stress can have a significant impact on our mental well-being too. Anxiety, constant worry and feeling overwhelmed are hallmarks of both stress and anxiety disorders. Chronic stress can exacerbate anxiety symptoms or even trigger them in people who are predisposed. Depression. The emotional toll of chronic stress can lead to feelings of hopelessness, helplessness, and isolation, all of which are symptoms of depression. Trouble sleeping. Stress can disrupt your sleep cycle, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. This lack of quality sleep can further worsen your stress and overall health. As you can see, the impact of stress is far-reaching. It can affect our physical health, mental well-being, and even our sleep. The good news is that by learning to manage stress effectively, we can significantly improve our overall health and well-being. So, we've established that stress can wreak havoc on our lives, but fear not. There are powerful tools we can use to combat it. Enter the world of mindfulness. Mindfulness refers to the act of being fully present in the moment, without allowing judgment or distractions to interfere. It's about being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without getting caught up in them. By practicing mindfulness, we can learn to respond to stress in a more conscious and healthy way. Here's why mindfulness is such a powerful tool for stress management. Increased self-awareness. Mindfulness helps us become more aware of our stress triggers and early warning signs. This allows us to intervene before stress escalates. Reduced emotional reactivity. By observing our thoughts and emotions without judgment, we can learn to detach from them and avoid being swept away by negativity. Improved focus and concentration. Mindfulness practices can sharpen our focus and help us stay present in the moment, reducing worry about the future or dwelling on the past. Promotes relaxation. Mindfulness techniques like meditation can activate the body's relaxation response, lowering stress hormones and promoting feelings of calmness. Now, let's dive into some practical techniques you can incorporate into your daily routine. First up, we have the mighty mindful breathing. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently or soften your gaze if that feels more comfortable. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Please focus on the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Feel your chest rise and fall with each inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, gently guide your attention back to your breath without judgment. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can significantly reduce stress and promote feelings of calm. Meditation is a practice of training your attention and awareness. There are many different meditation styles, but all share the goal of cultivating a calm and focused mind. Here are 2 meditation techniques specifically designed for stress relief. Body scan meditation. In this practice, you systematically focus your attention on different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. This can help to release tension and promote relaxation. Mindful walking meditation. This technique requires focusing closely on the physical sensations that arise while walking. Concentrate on the sensation of your feet on the ground, your legs' movements, and the cadence of your breathing. This can be a great way to de-stress and become more present in the moment. While mindfulness techniques are powerful tools, a holistic approach to stress management is key. We've explored the power of mindfulness for immediate stress relief, but for long-term management, it's crucial to address the root causes of stress in our daily lives. Here are some key lifestyle adjustments you can incorporate to create a more stress-resilient foundation. Fuel your body right. What we eat directly impacts our stress levels. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and caffeine can exacerbate stress hormones. Nourish with balanced choices. It's important to maintain a well-balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. Eating certain foods can help your body manage stress better by providing the essential nutrients it needs. Move your body. Physical activity is a natural stress reliever. However, lying on the couch and scrolling through social media doesn't count. Find activities you enjoy. Engage in activities you find genuinely enjoyable, whether it's a brisk walk in nature, a vigorous dance session, or a relaxing yoga class. Regular exercise. It is recommended to aim for a minimum of 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise for most days of the week. Even brief periods of physical activity can have a positive impact. Remember, consistency is key. By making these healthy lifestyle choices a regular part of your routine, you'll be laying the groundwork for a calmer and more resilient you. So far, we've explored mindfulness techniques and lifestyle changes to manage stress. But sometimes, the stress response can be triggered by our own negative thought patterns. This is where cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, comes in. CBT is a type of therapy that helps individuals to recognize and challenge negative thinking patterns that cause stress, anxiety, and other mental health conditions. Many times, our stress is fueled by unhelpful thought patterns, such as catastrophizing or jumping to conclusions. CBT teaches us to recognize these negative thought patterns, evaluate their accuracy, and replace them with more realistic and helpful perspectives. For instance, instead of thinking, "I'm going to mess up this presentation and everyone will think I'm incompetent," we can challenge that thought by asking ourselves, "Is this thought helpful or realistic? Have I messed up presentations before? What was the outcome? Could I reframe this thought to something more empowering, like I'm prepared and I'll do my best?" By challenging these negative thought patterns, we can reduce stress and anxiety, and ultimately improve our overall well-being. Alright, we've covered a lot of great tools for managing stress, but how do we actually put them into practice? The key is to integrate these techniques into your daily routine. Start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. Begin with small, manageable steps. Try incorporating a few minutes of mindful breathing into your morning routine or a short walk during your lunch break. Consistency is key. The benefits of these techniques truly shine through with consistent practice. Aim to integrate them into your daily life, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time. Find your groove, experiment, and discover what works best for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to stress management. Find techniques and activities you genuinely enjoy and look forward to incorporating into your routine. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. By making stress management a regular part of your day, you'll be cultivating a more resilient and peaceful outlook on life. So there you have it. You're now equipped with a powerful toolkit for managing stress and cultivating a calmer life. Remember, stress doesn't have to control you. By incorporating mindfulness techniques, making healthy lifestyle adjustments, and challenging negative thought patterns, you can transform your relationship with stress. Take a deep breath, commit to making small changes, and watch your stress levels melt away. If you'd like to learn more about any of the techniques we discussed today, be sure to check out the links in the description below. I'll also be uploading additional resources on my channel to help you on your stress management journey. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mental Momentum for more tips on mindfulness and well-being, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, Take care of yourselves and stay calm.